toss instead of just going flat.
Maybe it's like all one. Make sure you get the parts where they...
No, I understand all that. My question though is, why does the belt, right, instead of having like a flat belt, it just goes, why does it, oh, it just bends like that because of the weight? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So the whip kind of takes all the slack out to make it run smooth. Alright. That makes sense.
Is it filming? Well, why aren't you getting the best part, which is the... I don't want to film people. I got the dang trains. Oh, and it's still coming. Okay, make sure you get all the stuff. You can also get the old ice cream maker in there. So.
Yeah, you can look in there.
I'm pretty sure I got a lot of it. Pretty sure I got a lot of it. Okay. Should I just send it? Yeah, whenever we get home though. Oh, you got it.
Look, that's the train, that's the whistle, Lily. And all the giant wrenches they used to use on it.
Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted.
I used to have one of those.
Okay, well, you can stop filming now. Except for the inside of the...